Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a full get ready with me video, and it's been a while since I did an artistic or editorial makeup look. So here we go. First, we gotta hydrate. For my brows, I want a natural looking full brow, so I'm going in with my Got2b glue, just gel it and then brush it out. And next, I'm gonna use baby wipes to clean off the excess glue and shapen it at the same time. I use baby wipes because if I don't clean out the excess glue, you can definitely see it when I apply my foundation. And then I fill out my brows with this eyeliner pencil, and I only do it at that particular place because my hair is a bit sparse there. And now to prep the eye for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use a concealer. I normally use these two shades of concealer because I'm yet to find the perfect one shade concealer that's good for my face. Next, I go in with a beige eyeshadow just to set the whole thing. I know that I wanted to use two colors, but I really didn't know which two to use. I wanted the blue and orange and also the green and orange, but I wasn't so sure. So I decided to go with the reddish, orange, and blue. I've got a rough idea of the look I wanted to do, but I wasn't so sure, so I just do what I normally do. I just go with the flow. Next, I'm going in with the reddish orange. I was really nervous when doing this part because I had to and needed to get the perfect curve. I knew that I was going to do a good job, but I was so shocked because the curve was curving. When doing the other eye, I thought I made a huge mistake at the beginning, but it ended perfectly. I then decided to add a little bit of color in the middle. I do not know why. Like I said, I was just going with the flow. And I'm so glad I went with it. Next, I'm going in with this shade of concealer and then just covering all the dark spots. Sometimes I only use concealer without using foundation, especially when I'm in a hurry. And then just blend it all out. I am going to do a makeup tutorial of when I use only concealer. And now for foundation, I'm going to use my 3-in-1 foundation. It is my favorite one yet. I'm going to leave the details of the shade that I use and also of other makeup items used in this video in the description box. And then really blend it out. This is how I make sure that it's properly blended in this area, the double chin area. Okay, don't laugh at me. Next, I'm going in again with the two shades of concealer that I used earlier for my under eye. And now for the bronzer, I'm using this shade of eyeshadow palette. I've been using this for about 3 to 4 years now, and I know I should get a proper bronzer, but this really works well for me, so yep. And now for the blush. Now this blush has got some real history. I've been using this for about 6 or 7 years now. At first belonged to my mom, but she rarely used it. So I and my sister was just using it. And when I was traveling, I stole it. I mean, she wasn't really using it. So, you know, I just took it. And the red part was already gone. So I started using the pink. And I really love the pink. And I also love using a lot of blush. Next is a highlight. I've been using this for about, I think, 2 years now, and I'm just gonna highlight the bridge of my nose, my upper lip, and my cheekbones. And then really blend in everything. Then I'm going in with the blush again because, like I said earlier, I love me a lot of blush. Next, I'm going in with this color of eyeshadow to put under my eye just to make it look more alive, because if I don't, it just feels weird. Now I'm gonna apply mascara, which I always do before actually putting on fake lashes or false lashes. Yeah. And these are the lashes that I'm gonna be using today. I got them from AliExpress for £1 and they look cute. I'm gonna try it for the first time today. I'm gonna put it on off camera because if I do it on camera, it's literally gonna take forever. Okay, it's looking good, but a little bit weird. Let me put on the other one. Okay, I like it. It's really curvy, but I like it. Now I'm gonna apply mascara to the tip of my eyelash just to make everything look natural and blended. Next is lip liner and lipstick. Now this is one of my favorite lip combo, but I haven't done it in a while and I'm pretty excited. Now I always use Vaseline on my lips before applying my lipstick because if I don't, my lips gonna crack. And this is the shade of lipstick that I'm going to be using today. I'm now going in again with the lip liner just to make everything blend well. Now it's time for the wig. This is a mixture of conditioner and water in a spray bottle. So what I do, I just spray it all around the hair. And that is it for the makeup and the hair. Now it's time to get dressed. So this is the dress I'm going to be wearing today. I've been wanting to wear this for quite a while now. I'm going to be wearing these underneath. Done, and I feel sissy. Damn, people got legs for days and I've got chin for days. Double chin for days. Anyway, wearing this dress was quite a struggle. But we did it in the end. Hooray! So, I've got a plan for this hair, and this is it. I feel like a poodle. And for accessories, I'm wearing this earrings and this necklace that I got from AliExpress. I love it. I haven't worn rings in a while, so ba-bam. And as for shoes, I'm going with this low-heeled ones that I got from the thrift store. And that is it for the whole look. I'm really loving the lace. I think they're kind of like my addiction these days. So, yeah, I am gonna wear a jacket when I'm going because the weather is quite unpredictable and it might rain. So, yeah, but this is the main look. No, the one with jacket. And of course, I took a lot of pictures. It was raining outside, so I couldn't take pictures or record my outfit, and I decided to do that when I got to the shop. And yup. And yeah, that is it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikToks. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.